Hey everyone, Josh here from Fresh Start Customs, and today we're finally going to be going over a new product review here. I've been saving up some money for different products for the Glowforge and different things that'll help you use the Glowforge or clean the Glowforge. I do this usually once a month. It's been about 2 months since I've done one of this because I've got this actually last month and I wanted to thoroughly test this one out. That way you guys know if it is good or isn't. So I've been testing this out for literally a month, and as you've seen in the intro, it is pretty strong. That was 5 sheets of paper stacked on top of each other about 3 foot away, and it was able to blow the 2 foot back to go off the countertop. So it's definitely strong, but I don't think it's strong enough to damage any electronics. So I think it's the perfect mixture here. I use this thing literally all the time. It's still on the same first charge that I've charged it up, believe it or not. In a month's use, I've used it on my desktop PC fans, my laptop, the air assist fan, which we're going to be covering today, which is insanely nice because I always clean it anyways from the back, but this just helps blow any extra dust out. So let's go ahead and open this up. You kind of get the box just like this, and then inside you'll have the actual unit, and it'll be in a plastic sheath, but I already got rid of the plastic sheath. But you'll have the unit like this, and you'll have your little nozzle that goes on it and your charging cable here, and then a little instruction booklet. So I'll move the box out of the way here. So if you want to read the instruction booklet, you can. I had to read it to figure out that if you want the air to consistently blow, you got to pull the trigger twice, like 2 times in a row, two consecutive clicks versus just pushing and holding. So that's a cool feature. Otherwise, you don't really need this. Just charge up the unit. So basically, you just have your little straw here that goes into your unit just like this, clicks into place. I'll probably never remove that. I'll just use it as is. I was just doing it for the box unboxing here. And then you get a standard micro USB charger, and it goes right in the back here. But like I said, I charged it up once, and it's been going all month long. It says that you can do a half-hour consistent, like you turn it on, you can leave this run for a half hour, and then that's how long it'll last. Now, unconsistently, I think it's going over a half hour because I've used this a lot. And granted, it may be in like 4 to 5 minute increments, but I've been using this for the entire month and blowing out both of my desktop computers, which take forever, the air assist fans, our laptop computers. Yeah, this thing is awesome. So let's get the charger out of the way here. And like I said, you can hold it one time. You just click and hold, and then you let go, and that's where you have like complete control over it, where you just click hold, it'll go, and then you let go and it'll stop. And if you can notice in there, I'm not sure if you can actually see that on the camera, that little orange thing in there. Let me see if you can see that. That's just a little fan, and that's what is powered by the motor, and it blows out here. This thing also has a 6,000 milliamp battery. As you can see on the back here, here's the specs. That thing has more battery life than what my phone does. That's probably why it lasts forever, because this obviously doesn't have a touch screen that's powering it all day long and draining energy. So yeah, this thing's going to last a long time. I have yet to have it actually die on me within the entire month. So this thing's pretty awesome. That's pretty much it. And then like I said before, in the instructions, I had to figure it out. If you click this 2 times in a row like this, as you can see, I've got nothing holding it. And you just click one more time. If you couldn't hear me there, yeah, as you can see, I didn't have to actually hold the button in for it to continuously blow out there whenever you double click. So that's just a quick thing I wanted to show you guys. But let's go ahead and go into the air assist fan on the Glowforge and what I use this for. And it helps reduce the number of times that you're going to have to actually clean that fan out. So this thing is an amazing product for the Glowforge. Like I said, sorry it took like 2 months to do this. This is a little bit more expensive. It's about $80 I think I paid for it. So it may vary up and down I'll put the Amazon affiliate link down below if you want to help the channel and help future projects like this. I do have another future project lined up for this month for an actual item here. So you guys should be looking forward to that. That one's going to be more photo-based to help with selling your Glowforge products. But let's go back into this. We'll show you the air assist fan, and we'll catch you guys there. Alright you guys, so we're at the Glowforge now, and instead of taking the actual air assist fan out like you normally would, where you take your fingers down here, pull the whole tray out, we're going to be cleaning it from behind. A lot of people don't know that you can do this, but eventually you will have to pull this out to get underneath the air assist fan. But as you've seen in a previous video, I use this little bristle brush here. It's a little straw cleaner. You can get these on Amazon as well. I'll put that in the link below if you haven't seen those on my past video here. But you're going to want one of these, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pull your glass tube forward here, all the way forward. And right behind here, I'm going to get my camera adjusted so you can actually see. Alright you guys, so as you can see, sorry about changing the camera angle here, but this is the only way that I can get the camera angle correctly. It's an extremely hard shot to get with the camera here. But as you can see right here, down in here is your air assist fan. This little tiny thing that's hanging out. I know there isn't much room to actually get in there, but when you use this little brush here, you can actually get inside this little air assist fan here. So just like that, you just kind of work your way back and forth just like this on the blade, and then you'll flip to the next blade, and then you'll do the same thing over and over. You see how I'm flipping the blade there. Hopefully you can see that on camera. But you flip to the next blade, and then you just kind of go back and forth and work all that dust off as much as you can. And then just for the sake of time, I'm going to stop there. But what you do is you dust all of that dust off, and then you come in with your actual new tool here, and you can double click. And as you can see, you can actually blow the dust out of there, and then if you need to, you can let it go and let it stop. And you can actually stick it in there so the blades don't spin if you need to. Another thing that I like to do is stick your straw cleaner in there like that so the blades don't move, and then you can actually blow in there without moving your blades. And then after you got it blowed out, then you can just remove your actual stick, and if you want, you can rotate that fan around just like you did when you were cleaning and continuously use it. I personally have yet to clean the back fan by pulling it out. Now with that said, I should probably do that soon. It's probably been 2 years since I've done that, but you can see how clean my fan is. And that's without saying I don't know what the bottom looks like. So you will need to clean the bottom still. But I've never had an issue with cutting so far, or any issues with that. So this will help prolong the amount that you're going to have to clean it here. Now with that said, after you clean this off and you move this back, just like this, on the actual tray down here is where some of that dust will collect, and then all you need to do is use a shop vac to pull that dust up. But that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and jump back over to the actual product itself here. Alright, there you guys have it. This is the Unlimited Air Duster. So I would totally recommend this for you guys. I use this for the air assist all the time, as you've seen in the video. It does take a little bit of work getting back behind there, but it really isn't that hard with a straw cleaner and just blowing out the dust. And like I said previously, you will want to take your air assist out eventually to clean the bottom, because especially if you're cutting like a lot of MDF, that stuff kind of gunks up the air assist fan. I've seen some fans where it just looks like it's pure mud in there. I'm not sure what some people are cutting when they do that, but it could be just because I clean mine often from the back, and that's why it never gunks up and it looks like my air assist fan has hardly ever been touched. But I probably will take that air assist fan out here soon in another video to show you guys how to do that too. Like I said, I have yet to actually do that. I haven't had a need because all my machine is cutting fine still. But I do want to do that for you guys who do need that and you cut like heavier items. Sorry that this took like 2 months to get this video out, but I wanted to thoroughly test this and see how long it lasted. And like I said, I have yet for it to run out of battery life on my first charge. So I would highly recommend this to anybody who wants to use this for the Glowforge or for a desktop or laptop in general. I use this for my desktop all the time. It's a very great product. I would recommend it, and I hope this helped you guys out. Like I said, I do have another product coming up here that I would recommend for actually selling your items. So hopefully that's a good video too that you guys enjoy, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks again.